Bottle Top Bill and his best friend Corky up on the hill. Let's watch them as they play, playing all day. Hooray!
The Adventures of Bottle Top Bill
and his best friend Corky.
Bottle Top Bill.
It looks like a great day for an adventure, Bill.
It sure does, Corky, and today's adventure's called The Snow Puppy. We have a visitor, Corky. Who could it be?
Don't you remember, Bill? We invited a friend over.
Which friend?
Neighbour Ned, of course.
That's right. He's come to look through our telescope.
Hello, Bill. Hello, Corky.
Come in, Ned.
Our telescope is upstairs.
Boy, I can hardly wait to look through it.
Here it is.
Great. What do I do?
Just look right through there.
Wow! I've never looked through a telescope before. Fantastic!
What do you see, Ned?
I see very woolly things with 4 legs.
If they're woolly, I guess they're sheep.
They are. They're Mrs. Whistlehead sheep. Oh, boy!
Now what do you see?
Another thing with 4 legs, but it's bigger than a sheep and it's not woolly. It's a cow. Maisie the cow. And I can see, I don't know what I see. Something really strange.
Let me have a look.
What is it, Bill?
It's the faraway mountains, Corky.
But what's all that white stuff on top, Bill?
That's snow.
Snow? That's amazing. I've never seen snow before.
Never?
Never, ever.
Would you like to take a trip to the snow, Ned?
Would I ever?
That's a great idea, Corky.
Then let's get going.
How will we get to the snow?
We'll fly there.
In a plane?
In our air balloon.
Stand by to board, everyone. Ready for the snow?
You bet!
Then here we go.
This is terrific. But where are the mountains?
They're this way, Ned.
Oh, yeah. And just look at all that snow. How long will it take to get to the snow?
Not long now, Ned.
We're almost there.
I can't wait to play in the snow. It'll be so much fun.
It is fun, Ned, but you have to be careful.
I'll be careful. I'm always careful.
Stand by to land, everyone.
Standing by, Bill.
Look at this snow. I can almost touch it. Whoa!
Are you okay, Ned?
I'm better than okay. I'm touching snow. Look.
Now, where shall we go first?
Let's go down here. This looks fun.
Remember, Ned.
Be careful.
Don't worry, I'm being careful.
Ned!
Whoa!
Jumping jelly beans. We've got to catch him.
We'll need something fast, Bill.
I've got just the thing, Corky.
A snow sled. Good idea, Bill. I hope Ned doesn't crash into anything.
Oh no, Corky! I see 2 big rocks down there.
I see them too, Bill. Big, hairy rocks.
Hairy rocks? That can't be right, Corky.
They're not hairy rocks. They're snow monsters.
It's our friends Chip and Flip.
I hope they can stop Ned.
What's that, Flip? It looks like a boy. A boy in a lot of trouble. We better help him out. What about something to catch him? Good idea, Chip. This net should do it. Good catch. A great catch.
Good work, Flippin' Chip.
You saved our friend.
Bill, Corky, what a surprise! How nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
And this is our friend Ned. Ned?
Where's he gone?
Bill! Corky! Hurry! Run quickly! There's snow monsters!
It's all right, Ned. They're our friends.
Ned, look out!
Oh dear.
Ned, can you hear me?
Speak to us, Ned.
I'm here. Come and hide so the monsters can't get us.
They won't harm you, Ned.
They're our friends.
Let's help you out of there.
And pull.
Are you all right? Is anyone hurt?
We're all fine, thanks.
Ned, meet Flippin' Chip.
You're friends with snow monsters?
They might be snow monsters, but they're friendly snow monsters.
Gosh!
That sounds like a dog.
It is a dog. It's our dog.
You have a dog?
Her name's Frosty.
That's great. I love dogs.
Frosty likes you, Ned.
Can she play fetch?
She loves playing fetch.
Fetch, Frosty! I'm coming too, Frosty!
Ned, wait! Ned!
Frosty! Frosty!
We have to go after them. Quickly! Ned! Frosty!
Blow me down. Ned's got himself lost.
And Frosty too!
Where could they have gone?
We'll look down this side of the mountain. Come on, Chip.
That leaves this side of the mountain for us, Bill.
Let's get cracking. What can you see, Corky?
It looks like a hole in the ice.
It's an ice cave.
Should we search inside the cave?
I'm sure they wouldn't be in there. Blow me down, they are in there. Come on.
What's that up ahead, Bill?
I think there are tunnels.
I think there are lots of tunnels.
Ned, Frosty, are you there? Which way would they have gone?
Frosty's down there.
Bill! Corky! Is that you?
And Ned's down there.
Now Frosty's there.
Hello!
And now Ned's there.
I'm all confused, Bill. We'll never be able to find them.
But I'm right here!
Ned!
We found you. Sort of.
But where's Frosty?
I thought she was here!
First she was lost. Now she's hiding. Catching this puppy is hard work.
Bill, lunch is how we'll solve this problem.
Lunch is a great idea, Corky, but we've got to catch Frosty first.
And we will, with this. Right. Follow me. Now we just have to wait.
There she is!
Quick, catch her, Bill.
Here goes. Gotcha! No, Frosty, don't! I can't see.
Bill, where are you going?
Uh-oh, where am I going?
We're coming, Bill.
Are we safe now?
Couldn't be safer, Ned.
Actually, Bill, my feet feel funny.
Now you mention it, Corky, my feet feel funny too.
So do mine!
I don't like this.
What do we do?
Whatever we do, we should do it fast.
We're all right, Frosty, but where are Bill and Corky?
Down here.
This time we need your help, Ned!
And fast.
It's all right, I'll rescue you! I just have to work out how. This is no time for games, Frosty. Oh, I get it. Smart dog, Frosty.
Ned!
Frosty!
Where are you?
Here we are.
Great going, Ned.
Are we glad to see you?
Grab hold, Bill.
Yup. Your turn now, Corky. I've got you, Corky.
But who's got you?
I have.
Quick, pull us up, Ned. Phew, that was close. Thanks, Ned.
What a great idea to dig through the snow.
It was Frosty's idea.
Thanks, Frosty. Time to get you home.
Flip and Chip will be so worried.
All aboard, everyone.
Thanks so much for finding Frosty. Come again soon.
Bye, Chip. Bye, Flip.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Frosty.
What a great trip. Thanks, Bill. Thanks, Corky. I love the snow.
I've found a much better place for our next trip.
What place is that, Corky?
Right here in the middle of a hot, sandy desert.
A desert? What's there?
No idea, Ned, but I know this much. There's definitely no snow.
When you're right, Corky, you're right.
Bottle-top Bill and his best friend Corky. See you again. Good